Welcome to day 7 of 30 of talking about Artem fish ponds. For farmers using Artem pond for production, especially ponds that are bagged with sacks, the best of practice is to check between the bags after you've harvested the fish from the particular pond. You have to look at the openings that are between the bags, especially at the base of the sacks you use to bag your pond, because you never know what you might find. When you have opening as big as this, there is a very high chance that catfish is inside that hole, because when you are draining the water from the pond for harvest, some catfish that are very smart will find their way inside such hole to hide inside. Now imagine not being able to discover this kind of catfish that has hidden, and you now pour a new set of juvenile inside that pond. Voila. Upon investigating your pond after harvest, if you discover such holes that are big enough and you discover catfish inside, try your possible best to remove the catfish. Sometimes there are even more than one. I've seen cases where you find 3 or 4 hidden inside the hole. The hole inside is bigger from just that opening you see from the outside. So try your possible best to remove the fish. It might be really hard for you to do so, like trying to pull out the fish from a tiny hole is very hard, but try your possible best to do that. It will save you a lot in the long run. It will be a big mistake for you as a farmer to stock your pond after harvesting and you still have this kind of fish hidden, because when the water level increases, they will definitely crawl out back and they will feast and feed on the juvenile or the smaller catfish you've poured inside that pond. And try your possible best to block such holes when it is discovered, whether you find catfish inside or not. It is part of the management practices of Artem pond. In this 30-day Artem pond series, we'll be covering pond construction, Artem pond maintenance, from the setup to Artem pond treatment, and also the management practices if you are using Artem pond. So stay connected, follow, like, share, subscribe. Till the next one, a peace.